Welcome to Speak Chinese Now. 我是李老师。On the topic of food and cooking, etc. So I found this slideshow for you guys. Take a look. So what do you see this? What do you think it is? 火 means fire. There you go. So I want to also tell you how to say if it's a particle, radical, this is what we say 火字旁. Pang means on the side. So as you see, do you see fire everywhere right here? Yeah, there you go. A lot of fires going here. So the first one is 灯. To think about it in the past, the lights, lamps actually has fire in it, right? Flicker, right? So 灯 is right here. If you say switch on the lights, how would you say it? 开灯. So the word 开 has many meanings. Have you had like an English learner will say that turn on the light, they will say, or switch on the light, they will say open the light? You probably have heard of it. For instance, when we're learning English, open the light, turn on the light, switch on the light to us, the same character in Chinese. 开 is to turn on, to switch, and to switch on, to drive. Right? 开灯, right? 灯. 炒, as you see, is stir fry, right? And it's not fry, it's stir fry. Stir fry. And the motion of moving around, like your hands, it has to move. 炒, as you see on the left-hand side, is a fire. The other side is 烧, right? So, like I said, left-hand side representing the meaning of Chinese characters. The other side, the right-hand side, normally give you the sound, but not always. Most of the time. All right, let's take a look. 吃熬炒. So how do you say fried rice? 炒饭, right? Fried noodle, 炒面, and stir-fried vegetable, 炒菜. There you go. So you use the 炒. How do you say fried or stir-fried egg? We call it scrambled egg. 炒蛋 or 炒鸡蛋. 炒鸡蛋. Okay. 烟, as you see, smoke. On the left-hand side, the fire. Okay, the other side is 因为 the 因为 is because. Then, so this word 烟 can be any kind of smoke coming out of a chimney or the smoke. Let's say you're smoking, so you can say 抽烟. 抽烟. Nowadays, nobody really smoke, right? So you just say 我不抽烟. I don't smoke. 我不抽烟. That's how you say it. We're going to move to stove. 炉. Left-hand side is fire, right? 火. So if you just want to say stove, you just say 炉子, add a 字. 字 looks like a number 3 with a line straight down the bottom, horizontal line. So 炉子. Now, take a look at this one. Flame, or really hot. Like, what's it called? It's burning hot. So you got fire on top of fire, right? Normally, it's really hot day. You can say, oh, 炎热. You got to have it hot. 热 is also hot. 炎热, it's kind of burning hot, right? 炎热. As you see, fire on top of fire, it is hot. And there's another character as well. Maybe have 3 fires stacked together. But this one, it has 2 stacked together. 炎热. Now 炎热, it's really hot. So this character, take a look. The fire moved to the right-hand side. Isn't that interesting? So the left-hand side, what do you think it is? It's not a tree. It's on top, it has one line, so it's a crop. Like a crop growing in the field, right? That's autumn crop on fire. What do you think in the fall that we're burning crops? People are saying, oh, it's because it's dead, so we burn them. Clean the field, clear the field, also gives the nutrients to the soil. and then you burn the ashes. Actually, have a certain nutrients for the soil. Isn't that cool? Right. Let's go over this together. 灯炒腌卤盐秋. All right. Now we're going to work on how to say eat and drink. And this side is covered up a little bit, but to eat is 吃. Let's say together. CH. 吃. You got to move your lips. 吃. The other one, to drink, is a 喝. It's not a he. It's a Chinese H. You have to, there's a vibration. It's a 喝 sound, right? Then give me a blend them together. 喝. If you know how to say water, right? 喝水, right? 可以说喝水, drink water. Now we're going to take a look. 包子小笼包 I'm not sure if you heard 小笼包 before. People translate them as a soup dumplings. First of all, they're not dumplings. Dumpling, the shape is, it looks like an ancient coin or ingots. It's a different shape. So anything that is round like this, wrapped in a, and has quite a bit, what do you call it, 褶子? It's called 包子, right? 包子, right? The difference between 包子, regular 包子, and 小笼包. 包子, the wrapper or the dough is thicker, right? Thicker, right? It's steamed. As you see how big it is. 小笼包, 小 is small. 笼 is referring to 笼屉. It's a steamer. 小笼包 is steamed in a small steamer, bamboo steamer. It comes out normally in the restaurant. They have a few, like maybe 4 or 5 or 6. And when you bite into it, it do have a juice coming out. 小笼包 that's like I think that's why soup dumpling is translated into that version. But 小笼包, the reason it has juice in it, has things coming out, it is because when they're mixing the filling, and it has water or liquid built into it, when you steam it and the liquid stays in. And when you eat a 小笼包, be extremely careful. If it's too hot, steamy hot, then you have to just bite on a little piece and let the juice out on your spoon, or you just wait till it's kind of edible. Otherwise, it's going to burn your tongue. All right, let's say 小笼包. So should we say 吃包子? To eat 包子, right? 吃小笼包, correct? Right, this one's covered up a little bit. 炒菜. Earlier we learned the 炒. 炒 is a stir fry. 菜 is vegetable. 炒菜. Shall we 吃炒菜? Eat vegetable or drink vegetable? That's right. 吃炒菜. 吃炒菜. All right. We're going to move to here, down the bottom here. 汤. 汤 is soup. Chinese soup has quite a bit of liquid. That's why we call it a 喝汤, drink soup. We never say eat soup. I guess in America, the soup is really thick, right? And you can say, you still don't say 吃汤. 吃汤 doesn't work for us. We'll have to say 喝汤. 喝 is to drink soup, right? This is particularly interesting. It's our breakfast item. It's a 粥. 粥. It is similar to congee or similar to oatmeal, that sort of breakfast. It has that thick consistency. And you can add different things in it. That's fried dough, 油条, right, to make it and have a little flavor. Otherwise, it's just rice, normally. Rice with water and boiled. I know that Westerners don't like it, but this is kind of our soul food. whenever we're sick or something, we do mix with some rice. We 喝粥，喝粥. It's also drinking kanji. We never say 吃粥. 吃粥 doesn't work, but has to be 喝 right? So let's say 酸奶，酸奶，酸 is sour, 奶 is milk, sour milk, it's yogurt, right? So do you say 吃酸奶还是喝酸奶? I think both are okay. 吃酸奶 or 喝酸奶, both are okay. Yep. Okay, we're going to go over this one more time. Let's say 吃还是喝, eat or drink. Okay? You use different verb. Let's say together. 吃包子，吃小笼包，吃炒菜，吃凹炒 CHAO 炒，菜 is CAI 炒菜。Cai is hard for you to say for most people learning Chinese. So C sound, the Chinese C, I always say Chinese C, it sounds like a rat's ci or a cat's ci. So TS sound. If you bring that TS sound in the front to replace that C, and that will be 菜, 炒菜, right? 吃炒菜. We're going to move to the bottom line, and that is all everything is. 喝 is to drink. 喝汤 drink soup. 喝粥 drink kanji. Right? We never say 吃粥. 吃粥, do we say 吃粥? I don't remember, but we do say 喝粥. 喝酸奶 drink yogurt. 吃酸奶works as well. All right. Now let's take a look. We're going to learn how to say delicious. When you're eating it, it tastes really good. You just say delicious. You put a 好 in front of 吃. Let's say 好吃好吃. Especially you are out with friends or you're you're being invited to a friend's house for dinner, and then you say 好吃好吃, right? Tastes good. Delicious. If a drink tastes really good, you can say 好喝, right? Good to drink. Delicious in a way is drinking. So you just add 好 in front of it. All right, let's do it one more time. For food, you're actually solid food you can chew. You say 好吃好吃. Delicious. If it's liquid, you're drinking it, you say 好喝 right? Awesome. Well, and that's all we have for today. 谢谢，下次见。